Hello dear friends and inshuti zanjye, uyu munsi tugiye kwigira hamwe uburyo ki tugiye kurebera hamwe Microsoft Word agace ka kane, how we can just mix some tables, image and any content in the Microsoft Word. We can just start on the Today we start writing some paragraphs and we see how the content can be like. This is a step number 4. In step ya kane tugiye kurebera hamwe ese dushaka ni gute twakongera ifoto muri document yacu tukayirenginga neza ese ikaba as a design. Let's first to typing some content or some paragraphs. Well, we can try to talk more about flowers. That is a history of flowers. But we can just arrange it and we mix the picture of flowers. First, the things you can just do it, you can just pick that flower and you download it and paste it somewhere. Even if you want to add in the Microsoft Word, you can just see the flower is there. And you import it data document and you see what's going on. You see the features, paragraphs, and any content talk with that flower. Uburyo ki twakongera ifoto yacu muri content biterwa n'icyo ushatse gukora. This is a history of the flowers. And then we can select this and put it on the center and I can just zoom. After that, I can just underlining this content. I can put double lines. After that, I can just pick this paragraph and I put on the justify. I justifying the flowers yanje ya paragraphs yanje nindangiza. Okay, nshobora kongeramo ifoto. Reka ifoto for example nyishyire ahangaha, ndaza kuri insert, nze kuri pictures. Mu gihe ifoto iri kuri desktop cyangwa se kuri computer yanjye ndakanda kuri pictures kugira ngo ya foto nyizane iri offline. Ariko mu gihe nshaka gufata ifoto iri online, nkanda hariya nkaza nkategereza igafunguka ubundi ngasearchinga online. First, we pick the offline and I will see how we can just pick the pictures. You see, this is a online. Ushobora kwandikamo ushobora gufata any flowers. Turafata flowers, ifoto ikaba yaza. Kora search, nkaba nabona some kind of flowers, or I can just come on the desktop and I pick on the pictures and I come on the desktop. There's a picture saved there and I try to check and I see the flowers. micro. I try to check the flowers. Flowers. Very picky this and see if it's a flowers. It's not a flowers. Continue to search. I can just pick this and I come here. I search and I pick on the desktop and I check if there's the flowers there. Flower. Turimo turashaka ijambo flowers. Indabyo. Flowers. Where is the flowers? Flowers. Flowers. Okay, I get it. It is the flowers. And click and I insert. It comes. You see, this is the flowers, but it's big. But I want to design the flowers. It's big, like a small, and then we put the another here paragraphs. We can click in this and choose this. The paragraphs can be here. Okay, or we can click here and pick this and I'll choose something like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, this, like this. I'll pick like this. You see, the arrangement of flowers is like this here. I can minimize this and I minimize this and then I minimize this and I remove this space. You see, those are things. You see, it's good. If I want, I can just click here and I minimize this and it's just be like this, and I exploring here to be like this. This is arrangement of one of flowers. If we just mix it to one flower on the desktop, and possible things even down here, we can add it to another flowers. Even there, we can just add it to another flowers. Can click there, and I will go on the desktop, and we research. And we select all files, and it comes down there, and we see the flowers. This is the way how we can just put the image on Microsoft Word. Uburyo washyira ifoto yawe muri Microsoft Word kandi ikagaragara neza cyane. This is the flowers. I can put also down here and I minimize it and I make it the smallest one. Okay, make it the smallest one and I see okay, and I check all things and then I can just click it down. After that, I can just maybe I can, even if I want, I can create a table behind. I can create a table and I create in that pages, in the same pages. I can, after that, I can just create the tables and it's a simple tables like this. And I write number name, address, and then I can just pick this and I delete column. See, it disappeared. And I pick this, I expand, ninaweza fuatia anashauri nimero email, nimero ebyiri. So in this letter of Microsoft Word, you can just add a table. You can add a table and you draw tables under that. Even on this paper, you can just add the tables. Or let we say you can just put a table for some kind of address. Let we say okay. Let we draw. Okay, names, number, name, address. Let me say I can read this, I can delete this, delete column, and I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here I can put Eza, Kamana, Coco, Lisa, KZ. Here I can put Figari, Ruhengeri, Ruhengeri, Kabeza. Okay, let's say here we can just add even tables. After that, down there we can just put the QR code. You can put okay, display bar code, and I put double point. We put on design Igari Kicukiro KK 718 city, and then I can put double point, I put QR, and then I can click, I can select, and I click